Good morning, dzień dobry, a być może i dobry wieczór. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going back to the basics, which means I'm going to teach you how to say please and thank you. So please, in Polish, you're going to say proszę. 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 Which also could mean you're welcome. So when somebody says thank you, which in Polish is dziękuję. 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 Proszę. Bardzo proszę. Bardzo dziękuję. Bardzo proszę. Bardzo dziękuję. All right, you guys. Short and sweet lesson. Hope you learned something new or refreshed your memory. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe.